first BCom student. This is G. Mirza Atik. The next aspect here, steps in selection process here. Here some steps are there. I have already sent those steps here. The step number 1, job analysis here. The job analysis is the process used to collect information about the duties and responsibility performed by the worker is concerned, etc., or particular job. Selection influenced several external and internal environmental factors here. The important external factors affecting selection are supply and demand here of a specific skill in the labor market, unemployment rate, labor market conditions, legal and political conditions, etc. So these are the external factors while selecting these factors that can be taken into consideration. Step number 2, preliminary interview, conducting screening the application or conducting the interview to the candidate here. Initial screening is done to weed out, sort out totally undesirable, unqualified candidate here. And the outset is essentially a sorting process in which prospective candidate given the necessary information about the nature of the job and the organization. At the same time, the necessary information is also elicited from the candidate about the education, skill, experience, salary expected, and like etc. And step number 3, selection test. A selection test is systematic and standardized procedure here of sampling of human behavior in order to obtain qualified applicants here for organization activities concerned here. It is used to access the ability, aptitude, and personality of prospective candidate here. Selection test is conducted in order to select a right person for the right job who will be capable of performing organizational activity. If he hired, selection test is device that reveal the information about the candidate which is not obtained through the steps of selection. Here some tests are there here. So these are the important tests that can be taken into consideration. There are a varieties of ways in which the tests are classified. Aptitude test. Such tests are widely used to measure the hidden talent or ability of a candidate to learn new job or skill. They enable to use the find out whether a candidate is selected would be suitable for a job which may be clerical or mechanical work is that can be taken into account or consideration. Achievement test. So these are also known as proficiency test. They measure the skill and knowledge which is required as a result of a training program, on the job experience here. Next, third, personality test. These tests are aimed at measuring the features of the individual which are non-intelligent in nature. The owner of the organization accesses the motivation, interest, his ability to adjust himself to the stress of every life, the capacity for interpersonal relations and self-image, self-confidence, ambition, tact, emotional adjustment, cooperativeness, aggressiveness, self restraints, submissiveness, and so on. Fourth one, interest test. This test aims at finding out the type of work in which candidate is interested here, which type of job or work he likes here. They are inventories of the likes and dislikes of people of some occupations, hobbies and recreational activities, etc. In tray exercise fifth one, in this test the applicants has to assume the particular role as a employer of a fictitious company and work through a pile of documents, files in the trays, concern, etc. Group exercise. This is type of a test which involves candidate working together as a team here to resolve a presented issue. So these tests may be either leaderless group or discussion format or problem solving scenarios, etc. Seventh, selection test. So in making a selection, an organization may decide to accept some candidate and reject others here for filling its various job. Eighth, classification test. Under this test, special consideration are given to determine on which of the several possible assignment here a person will be able to do his job at his level best. Placement decision test. It is concerned with assigning a person to different levels of work here rather than distinctly different types of work. 10th, individual test. A single individual is given a test at a time, usually by a trained examiner who not only scored and interpreted the result here but also observed his behavior. Therefore, single individual test is very useful and helpful for observing the behavior carefully through the testing period. 11th one, final test. When the candidate pass out from the different types of test here, then the organization conduct the final interview. This is the most essential step in the process of selection. In this step, the interviewer matches the information given about the candidate through various means of job requirement and then his own observation during interview. Fourth one, employment interview. Interview is an essential element of selection. No selection procedure is complete without one or more personal interview. Therefore, interviews must ensure that is needed here, where the information collected through applicant's letter or application from and test can be cross-checked here in the interview, where candidate demonstrate their capabilities, strength in relevant to their academic credit details is concerned, etc. and academic credentials here. Sorry. So a first one, obtaining information about the background education, training, work history and interest of the candidate here. Why the selection of is the interview serves what purpose the interview that is needed here. First, obtaining information about the background in education, training, work history and interest of candidate. B, giving information to candidate about the company, the specific job or human resource policies. Lastly, establishing a friendly relationship between the employer and the candidate so as to motivate the successful applicant to work for the organization. So, however, in practice, interview becomes a one-sided affair, serving only the first purpose here. So, thank you very much.